Welcome to DSTELECOM. DSTELECOM was born in 2008 with the aim of building a fiber optic backbone to connect 11 municipalities in the north of Portugal. In 2010, DSTELECOM won the international public tender launched by the Portuguese government for the construction, management, operation and maintenance of next-generation networks in 44 counties in the north and 35 in Alentejo and Algarve, a total of 9,000 kilometers of optical fiber. The construction of this fiber optic infrastructure was completed in late 2013, covering a total of 250,000 homes. Our mission is to eliminate geographical barriers and to allow all Portuguese people from the coast to the interior to have the same opportunity to interact with the world through digital highways. Our goal is to route people, attract investment, and create opportunities in sparsely populated regions. DSTELECOM is a wholesale telecommunications operator that built and operates the first and largest multi-operator FTTH fiber optic network in Europe. We started by covering 250,000 families in the North, Alentejo and Algarve regions. In just 7 years, we doubled the infrastructure and 450,000 families in 100 municipalities are now able to enjoy telecommunications services from all retail operators operating in Portugal. We continue to expand our footprint and we expect to reach 900,000 families by 2023. We manage the first and largest multi-operator FTTH fiber optic network in Europe and the only fiber optic infrastructure shared by all telecommunications operators in municipalities with the DSTELECOM network. We are the owners of the active and passive network. We have a wholesale-only business model. We do not compete with our customers as we have no interest in the retail business. The greatest assets of our business are the trust of our customers and the recognition of the market. All retail operators operating in Portugal are customers of the DSTELECOM network. We designed our network with 110% fiber optic capacity. Our network has a flexible physical and logical architecture that allows us to provide a complete portfolio of services in fiber adjustable to the technical and technological specificities of all operators. We built the network with a single split level. We developed the OSS platform, transparent and simple to use, so that our customers can provision in real time the services on the DSTELECOM network as if they were operating on their own network. We installed an OTDR throughout our network that allows us to detect in real time with a meter error any problem or cut that may arise, guaranteeing the fulfillment of demanding SLAs. We have created a network with a level of redundancy that guarantees a network availability of more than 99.95%. In addition to the extensive portfolio of communication services that we offer as a multi-operator, we have developed skills with teams who allow us to provide installation and maintenance services to our clients' customers. We provide advanced network engineering and development services to telecommunications companies, including the design and implementation of specific protocols, network co-design, project management, and ONT integration. We operate a large field force supported by our Networks Operations Center 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our figures reflect the maturity of our business. Year after year, we have been growing, both in turnover and in EBITDA. The implementation of next-generation networks was considered a recommended practice with the Best Practices Award by the European Commission. The FTTH Council Europe awarded DSTELECOM the FTTH Operator Award, recognizing the effort to accelerate the adoption of FTTH in Europe. DSTELECOM received the Fast Mover Turnover Award given by Exame Informatica magazine during the conference The Largest in Technological Portugal 2016. We are committed to ensuring that schools, homes and hospitals have access to our fiber optic network. We closely monitor connectivity needs in the field of remote education. We launched the Connect Generations initiative to ensure that homes located in the municipalities covered with our network have access to broadband service, thus reducing the loneliness of the elderly population. We collaborated in the creation of the Estau project, whose objective was to reduce the social isolation of patients hospitalized in NHS hospitals, offering tablets with a specific software for making video calls simply and intuitively. We have invested in solar panels for telecommunications centers in 36 municipalities, which will represent a 20% reduction in energy consumption. With a total installed capacity of 215 kilowatts, these 36 plants will reduce CO2 emissions by approximately 167 tons per year, equivalent to the capture of CO2 in 1,086 trees. Innovation is one of the most important pillars of DS Telecom's DNA. As such, we have developed a process where we aim to democratize innovation. We involve many workers in the discussion of important themes regarding the evolution of our business, and capture the most ideas to further develop in several work groups. Year after year, we develop an increasing number of innovative projects led by our workers and the scientific community, namely MIT and several renowned Portuguese universities and research institutes. One of them is K2D, aiming to develop a disruptive monitoring system for oceans on a global scale, able to tackle all depths from the deep sea bottoms and abyssal platforms to the surface. In another project, we're developing technologies and competences to monitor and value the ocean by combining national and international know-how, striving to build the Eros nano-satellite constellation. In parallel, we are investing in knowledge and visioning the trends that will shape the future. DS Telecom continues to actively contribute to sustaining the chair created with the University of Minho to investigate sustainable telecommunication networks for the digital society of the future. Keeping our vision locked on the future, we focus on our NOC to DOC incentive. NOC to DOC aims to transform DS Telecom Network Operations Center into a command and control center for all management processes, with internal and external impact which benefit from permanent supervision as a result of its digitization and automation. These are just some examples of our pursuit of innovative projects. We want to extend the footprint of the FTTH network in Portugal, both in current areas and in neighboring municipalities. We want to support the development of smart cities in our regions. We want to replicate the multi-operator business model for submarine cables and the 5G mobile network. We want to export the multi-operator business model to other geographies. We believe that our workers are our greatest asset, so continuous training and reading, promoting healthy lifestyles, offering medical care, and enhancing aesthetics and good taste are fundamental. In order to foster the spirit of companionship and mutual assistance, we provide and encourage extra professional activities that greatly help to cement personal relationships. We are just at the starting point. We are well prepared to challenge future opportunities in all areas and geographies.